How to replace lost, damaged or stolen card. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel Help Deck. So in today's video I will guide you on how you can actually replace your lost, stolen or damaged card on the Wells Fargo bank app. So make sure to watch the video till the end. So if your card was lost or maybe stolen or maybe damaged due to some type of reasons or natural occurrences, you want to actually order a new card, you can do that from the Wells Fargo mobile app itself. So for that, all you have to do is just go ahead and then actually open the Wells Fargo mobile application, sign into your mobile banking account, tap on the three lines icon, menu icon from the bottom right, then go to the option called card settings. Once you go to card settings, here at the second you'll find the option called replace my card. Just tap on it. Now you want to select which card you want to replace. Just tap on it and then select the card that you wish to replace over here. Then after that, it will ask you a reason for replacement, which is damaged, lost, stolen or not received. Whatever issue may be, just select them over here. And then after that, just tap on the continue button from the bottom. Then review the information, which is the delivery method, the card address on file and so on, and then just tap and confirm, which is your shipping. Then after that, you have to verify your identity just so the bank knows that it's a real person trying to order a new card. So tap and continue. Once you verify your identity, it will ask you to simply use a replacement card today. So just tap and continue, and within a few days period of time, you should receive your card at the desired location. And hope this video helped you as to how you can order a replacement card on Wells Fargo. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you have got any more questions, feel free to also leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.